Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as tow hooks, 2-inch factory lift, off-road suspension, locking rear differential, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 40-20-40 bench split seat, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with lots of extra storage and cup holders here on the bottom. We're going to have speakers there on the bottom just as well as your power lock, power mirrors, and power windows. You're going to have these black running boards that are just going to stay nice and put, not foldable. Of course, you're going to have the manually adjustable 40-20-40 bench split seats here. And onto the interior here, we're going to have our trailer guidance as well as our cover lamp and 2- and 4-wheel drive control. Onto the steering wheel, not lots going on, just cruise control on the left. We're going to have the classic odometer as well as the classic truck shifter. It's not going to be push start, it's going to have to be that twist start there. Of course, you're going to have your park assist, hill descent control, USB-C and USB-A port, as well as a 12-volt DC port and an AC wall charger. Up top here on the center console, you're going to have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as your OnStar services, Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as you can access your rear camera, as well as with your Hitch guidance. Here on the seat, of course, you're going to have lots of extra storage on top, as well as inside. Lift it up, and as well, just to close it, it's on this side. Pull that tab, it's going to come right back down. Passenger side's going to have that same finish, as well as on the door. And you're going to have that double glove box, a little storage up top, as well as you're going to have the rear view, and as well as your reading lamps and your OnStar services as well. You're going to have these 18-inch blacked out alloy wheels running on Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires. You're going to have the black plastic mirror caps, and as well as door handle and the running boards as well. Of course, your Trail Boss badge and those corner steps as well. You have your trailer hitch and your fifth wheel just under. As well as you're going to have the easy lift gate and the tonneau cover with your spray and box liner and lots of tow hooks inside. Very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear, it's going to have that same style with storage and cup holders here on the bottom, as well as the speakers and the power windows there as well. Of course, in the back, not a whole lot going on. You're not going to have lots of storage since this is an LT trim. Lots of leg room, ventilation in the back, and of course the seats can lift, storage on the bottom. You're going to have lamps up top and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine, as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission, 2-inch factory lift, tow hooks, all-terrain tires, spray and box liner, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, locking rear differential, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.